Large-scale maneuvers begin, with air and sea forces coordinating their movements over the coastal waters.
The deployment includes a mix of rotary wing aircraft, transporting personnel, and demonstrating air-to-ground mobility for rapid operations.
Advanced tiltrotor aircraft are critical assets, allowing special operations forces to quickly land and move on the terrain after an air transit.
Naval hovercraft deliver the ground component, bringing armored vehicles and a large number of troops straight onto the shore.
These specialized transport vehicles ensure amphibious capability, moving seamlessly between the sea and the coastal landing area.
Air support maintains watch over the area, providing cover as the maritime landing assets reach their designated target on the coastline.
The maneuver demonstrates the ability of the forces to establish a forward presence using both air and sea transport platforms. Following the initial beach landings, aerial assets move inland, showcasing the deep strike capability of the operation.
Utility helicopters provide essential movement capabilities over challenging inland terrain, maintaining connectivity for ground units.
Armed crew members maintain vigilance during flight, ensuring the safety of personnel during air transit and preparation for landing.
The precision landing of transport assets allows troops to be inserted quickly into austere environments to continue their mission.
The continued movement of hovercraft demonstrates their unique ability to transport large equipment directly from ship to diverse coastlines.
Personnel are loaded quickly onto the tiltrotor transports in a highly efficient staging process for the next phase of the exercise.
With all personnel aboard, the unique tiltrotor design allows for vertical takeoff, providing tactical flexibility from various departure points.
Final coordination ensures that all teams understand their roles before deployment, maximizing operational readiness.
The aircraft takes off rapidly, showcasing its distinct vertical flight capability and operational flexibility from forward operating locations.
Ground forces begin their deployment as armored vehicles move off the amphibious landing craft and navigate the challenging coastal environment. The coordinated disembarkation of heavy vehicles highlights the logistical speed required to move significant combat power onto a beachhead.
Once ashore, ground vehicles prepare for their mission, emphasizing the total coordination with long-range air transport assets needed for global projection.
Heavy-lift helicopters serve as the aerial workhorse, providing indispensable logistic support for troop movements.
To increase their operational range, these long-distance helicopters are equipped with aerial refueling capability, essential for extended maritime missions.
The signature feature of the Osprey is its ability to transition seamlessly between vertical lift rotorcraft and conventional fixed wing. Regardless of ambient light, the Osprey performs its critical maneuvers flawlessly, a vital component of rapid global deployment strategy.
The operation includes specialized attack assets, providing close air support and precision engagement capability for advancing ground forces.
Naval and air forces continuously hone their skills through live-fire exercises, ensuring high readiness and accurate engagement of maritime targets.
Small tactical boats are deployed for rapid response and interdiction operations, capable of swift movement across the open sea. Attack helicopters operate effectively in diverse environments, from coastal patrol to desert deployment, demonstrating versatile utility.
Rotary wing aircraft move swiftly between mission sites, with crew displaying a strong sense of national commitment and pride.
Airborne security teams monitor the surroundings, while attack aircraft fly close cover to protect the movement of transport formations.
Helicopter squadrons are essential for surveillance and rapid response operations in complex coastal and semi-urban areas.
Personnel aboard tactical vessels maintain proficiency with crew-served weapons during waterborne maneuvers, ensuring close-range fire accuracy.
From maritime interdiction to air reconnaissance over arid canyons, the operational tempo remains high across various mission sets.
From mountain passes to densely populated coasts, the aircraft patrol a wide operational area, providing vital area control and reconnaissance.
The cockpit is a hub of technological data, allowing the pilot to maintain high situational awareness during complex approach maneuvers.
Airborne gunners demonstrate proficiency in operating large-caliber mounted weapons, a core capability for self-defense and area suppression.
Naval assault ships are designed to deploy amphibious vehicles directly into the sea, allowing for rapid formation of waterborne assault waves.
The vessel's size underscores its role as a mobile base, continuously launching and recovering ground and maritime operational units.
Air assets maintain their patrol over the shoreline, while the flight crew prepares in silent focus for the demands of the mission ahead.
Fixed-wing fighter aircraft provide high-altitude air control, demonstrating air superiority alongside the rotary wing assets.
From air-to-ground support preparation to high-speed maritime transit, the movement across all domains is calculated and rapid. Naval teams maintain a close watch over the waters, capable of high-speed maneuvers and tactical positioning during coordinated sea operations. The air attack component maintains operational focus, ready to provide immediate support or perform targeted engagement over the sea. Airborne security personnel actively scan the environment, while attack aircraft maneuver along the coast for extended visual confirmation of the terrain. From aerial reconnaissance over vast landscapes to focused tactical drills at sea, continuous training ensures peak combat effectiveness for all units.
Operating on the open sea, these teams maintain an exceptional standard of marksmanship and rapid response tactical movement.
A combined air formation of vertical aircraft and tiltrotors demonstrates the large-scale integration and power projection capabilities across the coastal zone.
From high-performance fixed-wing aircraft showcasing aerial dominance to attack helicopters flying close ground support, the full range of air power is engaged.
Attack squadrons maintain security coverage for the larger fleet, flying tight patrol routes over the waters surrounding the naval assets.
Air-sea coordination is vital for logistical protection, ensuring that the movement of surface ships is continuously covered by aerial support.
Personnel conduct close-quarters readiness drills, maintaining the highest levels of combat skill even during deployment at sea.
The logistics teams work around the clock, ensuring that ground vehicles and crew are prepared for immediate deployment from the naval platform.
Vehicle crews make final checks from inside their armored transport, a final preparation before the deployment phase begins.
Naval assault ships deploy armored vehicles directly into the sea, where they transition to waterborne mobility for an over-the-horizon strike capability.
Once afloat, the amphibious transport can travel long distances to shore, a testament to its dual-purpose design. The logistical and attack chains are maintained by coordinated air teams, integrating both fast-moving jet aircraft and rotorcraft assets.
The launch is a high-energy maneuver, as armored transports leave the safe confines of the ship and immediately engage with the open sea environment.
Small maritime patrol units scout ahead, while the vast command ship maintains station, coordinating the extensive air and sea maneuvers.
Attack aviation performs live fire drills, demonstrating precise engagement capabilities in close proximity to the fleet.
Coordinated movement maintains mission momentum, as ground transport and air assault teams simultaneously close in on the objective area. Air units provide comprehensive patrol coverage, extending from the open sea to key coastal landmarks and infrastructure.
The scale of the fleet demonstrates the capacity for a major military deployment, supported by heavy amphibious transport ships.
Naval power is composed of assets ranging from massive carriers to nimble, amphibious ground vehicles capable of long-distance sea transit.
The deployment demands robust ship design, enabling ground vehicles to enter and exit even when facing significant open ocean wave action.
Amphibious ground vehicles navigate the swells of the open sea, demonstrating their inherent stability and capability to remain fully operational during ocean transit. Despite challenging maritime conditions below, the air component maintains flawless coordination, showcasing the full spectrum of air superiority. The presence of both large vessels and utility helicopters underscores the mission's focus on simultaneous air, ground, and sea force integration.
Coastal landings are dynamic operations, demanding high-level skill from pilots and drivers navigating the rapidly changing sea conditions.
Small maritime units move in coordinated formation, supported by the large naval fleet providing an essential staging and resupply base.
The continuous air presence provides security overhead, while the ground assets prove their durability in the face of challenging sea states.
After coastal transit, the amphibious components are recovered back into the naval vessel, demonstrating the cyclical nature of deployment and recovery.
Crew are trained to operate around the clock, with vehicles engineered to maintain momentum, even when confronted by significant force from the sea.
Tactical units move rapidly through the water, while heavy-lift air assets demonstrate their vital role in transporting large equipment and cargo over the open ocean.
The coordinated movement of the amphibious convoy, highlights the necessity of synchronized timing to achieve successful deployment from sea to shore.
Navigating severe sea conditions is a core design requirement for armed reports. The convoy maintains its course toward the coastal objective, confirming the mission readiness of both vehicle and crew.
Attack Aviation concludes the surveillance run, ensuring the security and integrity of the large-scale, multi-domain deployment maneuver.
The operation successfully integrated all ground, naval, and air assets across the entire theater of deployment.